Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the best businesses to start with AI in 2023. Let's explore some lucrative opportunities. Segment 1, AI-powered e-commerce. Start an online store with AI-driven product recommendations, chatbots for customer service, and smart inventory management. Segment 2, health tech startups. Health tech is booming. Develop AI-based solutions for telemedicine, diagnostics, or personalized health recommendations. Segment 3, Financial Services Revolution. Enter the finance sector with AI-driven investment tools, robo-advisors, or risk assessment platforms. Segment 4, Content Creation and Marketing. AI-generated content, influencer marketing platforms, and AI-powered SEO tools are in high demand. Segment 5, Renewable Energy Solutions. Create AI systems for energy optimization, demand forecasting, and grid management in the renewable energy sector. Segment 6, Education Technology. Develop AI-driven education platforms for personalized learning, student assessment, and e-learning content. Segment 7, Agriculture and AgTech. Innovate in agriculture with AI-based crop management, precision agriculture, and automated farming solutions. There you have it, a glimpse into the best business opportunities with AI in 2023. Dive into these sectors with innovative AI applications and watch your business thrive.